Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
My name is Nightly. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
It's almost Halloween. Halloween is a holiday on October 31. On Halloween, I will go trick-or-treating. I put on my costume. I put on my mask. I get my treat bag. I may celebrate Halloween inside my home. I may celebrate Halloween outside. I may look at Halloween decorations. I may walk up to a driveway or house. I stay 6 feet from other people to keep everyone safe. I may knock or ring the doorbell. When the door opens or I see other people, I say trick or treat.
Trick or treat!
Trick or treat! Trick or treat.
I keep calm hands and feet. They will put a treat in my bag. I can say thank you or happy Halloween.
Thank you. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
I may use hand sanitizer. I can go to another house. If I want, I can ask for a break.
Break.
When I get home, I can take my costume off. I will wash my hands for 20 seconds. I may need to wait to have candy, but that's okay. I will still have fun.
Wow, okay guys, did you have fun trick-or-treating?
Yeah! Daddy! Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! Bye!
Good job.
What are you doing for Halloween? Leave us a comment below. Like, click subscribe, and hit the bell to see our adventures next week. Thanks for watching.
Bye!